Healthy pregnancy breakfast. A healthy pregnancy breakfast should ideally be a source of each of the main food groups, and these include fruit or vegetables, starchy carbohydrates, for example bread, dairy, proteins such as meat, eggs and pulses, unsaturated fats. Good breakfast ideas for pregnancy include scrambled eggs on whole grain toast with grilled tomatoes, porridge topped with fresh fruit, and fortified whole grain cereals such as shredded wheat. What to eat for breakfast when pregnant and nauseous. Morning sickness is a very common pregnancy symptom. Although it can affect you at any time during the day, you might find yourself waking up feeling nauseous. If you're experiencing these symptoms and morning sickness eases between weeks 16-20 of your pregnancy. Foods to try during this period include: Number 1, plain toast or biscuits. Foods that contain ginger, as there's some evidence to suggest that this can help with nausea and vomiting. Number 2, dry cereals. Whilst eating may be the last thing you feel like doing, try eating a light breakfast when you wake up. Avoid spicy and greasy foods and drink plenty of water to ensure that you're staying hydrated. Number 3, high protein breakfast for pregnancy. Protein is very important during your pregnancy, as it helps your baby grow and develop in the womb. Some protein-rich pregnancy breakfast ideas include eggs. Whether scrambled, boiled or made into an omelet, eggs are a good source of protein. Yogurt topped with fruit and sprinkled with nuts and seeds. Baked beans on whole grain toast. Can I skip breakfast during pregnancy? It is difficult to eat anything if you're struggling with morning sickness or pregnancy nausea. You should try to avoid skipping breakfast where possible. Eating breakfast can actually help to prevent low blood sugar levels, helping you to feel better and providing you with more energy to get through the day. If you find yourself skipping breakfast, make sure you're staying well hydrated with plenty of fresh water. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, show some love with a thumbs up. And hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.